The goal of this look is to feel hotter, cooler, and possibly like a fanfiction character by the time you're done with it. Hi Slayers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eileen, and in today's video, I'm going to be attempting a makeup tutorial. So sorry, I'm really not a makeup person, to be honest, but I am a fan of the Rockstar girlfriend aesthetic that you might have seen on TikTok, and I made a video about it that you should go check out last week. And I just wanted to show you the makeup I did for the video because that was like one of my favorite parts. So I'm going to attempt to show you how to do it. So step one, put on a headband, which is gonna make me look crazy great. Okay, starting off with some primer. Doesn't really do anything, that's debatable, but it feels nice on my face. The next thing you're gonna go in with is concealer. And not foundation, because I feel like a Rockstar girlfriend, she's too cool to wear foundation. She only wears concealer. So I'm just gonna put some on, just a little, just a hint. And this is Shape Tape from Tarte, which honestly I feel like is kind of overhyped. Okay, and then I just blend it out. And I really like this TikTok trend because I'm actually a Rockstar girlfriend myself. My partner is in a band, and I mean, I don't really know if that makes me that cool, but when I dress up like I'm cool, I feel like I'm sort of cool and not just like a nerd who spends her Friday nights either at the gym or at the new Barnes & Noble that opened up. So, you know, being a Rockstar girlfriend can be fun. The next thing I do is put on a good amount of blush. This is Cloud Paint from Glossier, and I actually got this in LA when I was in LA. I went to the store. It was really cool. This is a makeup look that is inspired by when I saw Fall Out Boy, which was so cool. Their girlfriends are all also super cool. And I don't really know if they'd wear any of this because they're like kind of 30-year-old women, but at least the drummers would. Okay, then I'll put on some chapstick because you can't be kissing your boyfriend when he gets off the stage with chapped lips. Once the base is on, it's time for the fun part, the eyeshadow. So I have my crusty James Charles palette. I don't even want to show this to you because it's really bad, but like this video if this is what your James Charles palette also looks like. It's really scary. We're just gonna close that. Okay, the first thing I did is I found this tinted eye primer from Ulta, and it's actually really sparkly. And I didn't realize how sparkly it was gonna be because it's eye primer, it's not like eyeshadow. But it's like, it's very shiny. So I put some of that on my lid. And sparkles are literally like synonymous with Rockstar girlfriends. Like if you're going to a concert, you're putting on sparkles. I don't care who you're seeing. You could be seeing Weezer. And I bet you'd be wearing sparkles still. Rockstar culture is just like glam. You need sparkles, you need to be loud, you need to be slaying. It is now time to do the scary part, which is taking a glob of black eyeshadow and putting it on your lid and hoping it looks good. Before we put this on, let's say a little prayer to the Rockstar god, Jojo Siwa. Oh dear God. Okay. Okay. It looks okay. Now the goal with this is to blend it and smoke it outward, like it's really cool eyeliner. Okay, once it's looking mostly good, we're gonna try to smoke it down to the lower lash line and just pray that it works. You kind of want to look like you've been like crying, but in a cool way. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and then just like really go into my waterline and make it all black. I just stabbed myself. Okay, and then you can kind of smoke out the bottom also to kind of give it like a more concentrated eyeliner effect. And then take more sparkle or highlight or something and just like dab it on top and into like the inner corner of your eye, and it kind of blends in with the black. And then this is like what the eye should look like. So I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. Okay, I did the other eye and it is a little messy, but that is absolutely the goal. You want to be messy, borderline trashy, a little bit like, did she do her makeup right or is she really drunk? And you want to play that in with the mascara also, because like you need thick globs of mascara that signal like you're too cool to do your mascara right. Maybe you cried a little because your boyfriend's so good at playing in the band. The goal of this look is to feel hotter, cooler, and possibly like a fanfiction character by the time you're done with it. Okay, once your mascara is on, you have the option to do falsies, which absolutely help the look, but sometimes are a little bit too much, and I feel like this is like a really dramatic smoky eye anyways, and I also hate the feeling of mascara and lash glue, so we're gonna like not do the lash step. But anyways, we are now going to move on to the lips, and basically all you want is either red or black lipstick. I'm gonna go red because that's what I did in the video, and I also feel like it's a little bit more like American, like what you picture when you picture someone hot. The black is more of like if you're the girlfriend to a rock star like goth band, like you're dating Andy Biersack or something. Okay, so I have this really old lip palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it also looks really scary and busted, and I really should throw most of this makeup away, but makeup is so expensive. And I feel that a rock star girlfriend, to be like true to the character, you have to use like semi-expired makeup. I feel like a cooler tone red is a little bit better for this, because a warmer red is like, you could be a little too orangey, and no one cool is wearing orange lipstick. Now, you're very bold, and you're gonna walk into a room and everybody's gonna look at you, and that's like the whole point. I also put on some lip gloss, sparkly lip gloss, because your lips need to look kissable. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight and some powder, I think, but other than that, this is the final look. If you have any glitter, glitter is always encouraged. Like I said, you need to look messy, but also like bright and happy. So I'm gonna take off this headband, and I believe this is the final look. Here is the finished look. Do I look cooler? You let me know. Probably until I open my mouth, but that's not what I meant. I meant until I speak. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are also really into the rockstar girlfriend aesthetic, I don't know, I highly recommend browsing through Pinterest for hours and possibly getting lost in there while you listen to emo music. That's totally not what I do all the time. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye!